Best Utensil Rest Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular utensils holder in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their strength of approval, and we'll share with you some of the features of what makes this utensil rest so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how versatile and easy it is to use this utensils holder. The one that made our list is the Ladle Silicone Utensil Rest. This modern looking utensil rest helps keep your countertops splatter-free and can hold your largest cooking and serving tools. When you're cooking or baking, you can finally keep all your tools close at hand in a neat, tidy manner. Especially when you're multitasking in the kitchen, you save a lot of space because all your tools are in one place, yet they don't mix with one another. You save from the hassle of using paper towels. And this utensil rest is made of food-grade silicone that's BPA-free, and it won't slip or slide while you're cooking. There are 4 slots altogether, with a lip around the edges that catches any drips. And when you're finally done, just put this utensil rest in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This heat-resistant holder can be placed near the stove, countertop, or placed in any area that prep work or cooking is done. To check out the full specs of the Ladle Silicone Utensil Rest and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/restutensil. Here's a quick video demo showing the features of this utensil rest. So there you have it, the Ladle Silicone Utensil Rest. Considering its ease of use, its food grade material, and being dishwasher safe, we feel that this utensil rest will be the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Ladle Silicone Utensil Rest and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/restutensil. Alright, thank you for watching.